Copycat Riot 9000 Turbo. More sled than anybody needs, ever. Nobody needs this thing. 146-inch track. Call it a crossover sled, but I don't like to run it off powder. She's a heavy beast. And look at this, here comes the twin. Here comes the Yamaha last edition XTX Turbo 146 with John Fila, 65 years old as of yesterday, rocking the 200 horsepower beast. Look at that black beauty. Look at this stud. Look at this stud just pull up here. Pretty cool, man. I don't normally see these in New Brunswick, but I figured I'd walk up, and the guys are just fueling it up now. Charlie Golf Echo Oscar Quebec is what this guy is. Pretty sweet. Yeah, you never know what you're gonna see out here. These are the cabins here. They call these cabins Governor's Lodge. Yeah, we waited on the side of the trail for a few minutes and Mark showed up and we decided to pull in and fuel up. So we got the Riot 9000 Turbo filled. Now the Yamaha's getting filled and another guy just pulled in too. Here we made it to a little mountainous view. We got the sun setting in the west here. Yeah. Just came through a nice little valley. Some of the surrounding mountains still have trees on them. Looks like some good backcountry skiing up on that little grove. I'd ski that. No. And also right in there, it looks pretty sick for some snowboarding through there. Just need to get a paddle track sled, get myself up and down there all the time. What do you think? Pretty good trail or what?
Excellent. We must be, I see those windmills. We must be fairly close to the trail to, you call it Governor's, huh?
Yeah, Governor's just right there at the bottom of the hill.
I was saying, because the windmills are there, so we're on the backside of it.
Yeah.
Or, you know.
Here we are, man.
You can't be very far through from Governor's to the highway then.